Fargo. Some really hot shit. Coming up like this.
No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me that no one girl can deny me. And no see me change shiny but white green. Me have one soda, one soda. I get slumped over.
This doesn't look like it's in focus. But whatever, okay. So it's currently, I don't know how I'm gonna start this vlog, but it's currently 6:50 Saturday, March 11th, and we leave for Puerto Rico Monday, March 13th, and so we're gonna be there from Monday to Friday. And I'm just gonna vlog this little vacation. I'm currently taking off my nails very last minute. I meant to do this like Thursday, but I had so much tests to do this week for school, so I was studying for those. I didn't have time to do it this week, but yeah, planning on taking my nails off and then like just painting them with gel and then doing my toes too before the trip. And I'm probably gonna film me packing too, because I haven't did that either. So yeah, but once I'm probably gonna do it after I take out my nails. Oh yeah, as you can see guys, I bought a camera because my phone was not cutting it. Like, I mean, it wasn't even like the quality was bad or anything. I love people filming their iPhones, but it was just that dang storage. Like, I couldn't do it. I literally, and it will always come at the most inconvenient time, so that I couldn't take anymore and I had to get a camera. But I have the Canon PowerShot SX740HS, in case anyone was wondering. I like it so far. I mean, I haven't like posted anything yet, but it's my first vlog with the camera. But yeah, and that's pretty much all I have to say for now. I'll vlog again when I pack, and then I'll vlog when we're on the way to the airport. I might vlog a little bit at the airport. But yeah, I want to take out with me, get some content going for you guys. But that's pretty much it.
Are you ready? Yeah. Pull the gun. It's Fergie. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. You say if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass.
Okay, so it's currently 6:54, I think. We're getting ready to leave the airport. Leave for the airport. Everyone is pretty much packed. Our flight is at 2, but we're leaving early, just so you know, in case of security and everything. And then we're gonna, probably gonna eat at a restaurant someplace near. We're flying out of, Orlando, but we usually fly out of Tampa. But I think Orlando was the only place where it was a non-stop flight to Puerto Rico. But yeah, I think it's like pretty much like a 3-hour flight. So it's not too long. But here's the airport fit. Got the BBL and the yoke pants and the Birks. Nothing too much, something slight. But I'll probably film a little bit when we get to the airport. Okay.
I get it.
we're at the gate waiting on our flight. We got like almost 40 more minutes. We leave. Well,
Girl, don't do it. It's not working.
we leave at like 2,
I'm not gonna do it, girl.
but
Just thinking about it.
we start boarding at 1:40, and it's like a 3-hour flight. Oh, I got something on my
Girl,
camera.
don't do it. It's not
But
working.
yeah,
I'm not gonna do it, girl.
are you excited? You guys excited?
We're stoked. What are you looking forward to eating?
Yeah, we're looking forward to eating.
I want a good empanada.
Empanada. Yeah.
Para mí?
Also
Ropa
like
Vieja.
What are you looking for?
Ropa Vieja.
I want a nice little frozen
I'm not
drink.
gonna do it, girl.
Yeah,
so
nice,
it's
a nice daiquiri, nice virgin
Pina
daiquiri.
colada.
Frijole colorado.
I'm not gonna do it, girl.
Arroz blanco.
I did. Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it.
Tequila.
I'm not gonna do it, girl. Just thinking about it.
Arroz con pollo.
I did. Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it.
What's drink?
I'm not gonna
Bibia?
do it,
Isn't it like
girl.
Bibia or something like
Just thinking
that?
about
For
it.
drink, like juice,
And then
Bibia.
it might be beber.
I
Bibia.
did.
What's
Girl,
fruit?
don't do it.
Frutas?
It's not worth
Yeah,
it.
fruit.
Yeah.
Fruit is love.
I'm not gonna do it, girl.
Bibia
Just thinking about
frutas.
it.
Yeah, guys.
Take 10. It probably gonna look better.
Yeah, but we're finally on the plane. It got delayed like 3 hours.
And we have no window seats. Excitement. Okay.
What's
there
the
you go.
point of even getting on the plane? You can't even see outside the plane. Hopefully, I don't know when we land. I'll feel the plane shake. Can't go through no clouds. Can't see the sunset.
Can't do nothing but eat peanuts
These are pretzels.
and trip the people on the outside.
Yeah, you would have been there. I hear it does that. You would have been
You
there.
can't even see where you're freaking. You can't going on. It's a video game.
Yeah, we would have been there in our hotel, soaking up the sun.
And it's kind of like not fair if you think about it, because it's like we're only here for a certain amount of days, and the fact that this whole day is gone is like it takes away from a day. Like
I mean, I didn't
down one
really
day.
expect to do anything today anyway. Okay, we just landed.
Cookie plug.
We in the PR, the P-Izzy. We're on the way to get some food. We're just walking around the city. I look so.
Oh, nice cookie place, mommy.
I know that's
Yeah,
right.
hi, Jordan.
You're funny. Okay. I'm just trying to. Okay. On camera, my arms look big. They look big in real life. Okay, Hokey. Do the.
Oh, you want to do girl?
No, I'm really shooting for bigger legs, but hey.
You don't want to do a full face, Jordan.
I'm not doing a full face. It's easy in my foundation. Ooh, my right arm looks really big.
All my voices a miss.
Now time to use the, what's it called? The makeup puff. Just got a pack. Fresh out the pack. Put it down there. Blink, blink, picky, picky, blink. Oh, look at my back. Back pose.
Swinging my waist like it never did say.
Okay, guys, we're on the way to the beachy ichi.
Okay, walking.
I gotta. Okay. Hold on, I gotta do the outfit check. The outfit check. Okay, wearing my gold bikini. Got the backless top and the shorts. Gotta do the fit check for my. What are you wearing?
I have on my little net with my short, my little short, my tankinis, my slides,
And the Gucci
and my beach bag.
and her beach bag. We stopped at a little liquor store.
It's called a food mart.
Food mart, liquor store. Got liquor on the window. But yeah, then we're gonna walk down to the beach because it's like a 5 minute right around the corner. And yeah, we're gonna have ourselves a time, and then afterwards, I think we're just gonna go out exploring the city because we didn't get a chance to yesterday.
But I really want rescue, even though, bro, I can let you go. But I really want sure that you really got left me, even on the days when they try to arrest me. But you live a lie, there's no way you can.
Alright, beach day complete. I do look a little tan. Beach day complete. How would everyone rate the beach? What do you rate the beach? I would rate the beach. I probably rate it like a 8. It would have been like a solid 9 or something.
It was a little windy, so
Yeah, the waves was waving.
the wind was really
The waves
getting
in the way of the pictures.
What about you, Mike?
I'll give it an 8 too, just because of the surf and the wind. But it felt good because it wasn't too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what would you rate the beach?
Yes, we're at the beach.
No, what would you rate it? Like, what would you rate the beach day?
Oh, I can give it a 10. Perfect 10.
Even though he didn't get his pick by the flag.
I'd give it an 8 too. Just cause like the waves were so big. The waves were really big. But yeah. I think we're gonna go to the other beaches later in the week. But now we're at lunch, Europa Vieja. And I'll probably film when the food comes. Alright, put my necklace on. Getting ready to go to Hotel One for dinner. Just gonna go out and explore a little bit. See, they have some cute shops, some antique shops. But I'm wearing my top that I crocheted last week for the trip. It's like a little backless top. You can't even see. Like a little backless top. And my black maxi skirt. Some simple. We're in Old San Juan. It's a bit of a hike. Very downhill, very rocky. So y'all, ain't nothing open. So we've learned our lesson that places in PR close early. So if you want to do anything, we gotta go early. The henna place closed, jewelry stores closed, boutiques closed, everything closed, like literally every single thing. So,
shops open.
huh?
Souvenir shops open.
Souvenirs, but that's souvenirs though.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever...
And from her TikTok that she did at the airport, she wants to do a little transition.
Would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, there's any outfit that you'll find me ugly, and one day you'll disappear, because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever...
So we just arrived to El Yunque National Forest, and we're gonna go, I think we're going to the help center so we can, not help center, the trail, because it starts there. But yeah, we didn't realize that we needed reservations to come, so we can't really like see everything or like have a tour guide. So we're only going to be here for a little while, and then we're also going to go down to like see the river and stuff.
Was I ever good enough? The boys are weird. The boys are weird. He doesn't see her. Tryna looking at me right. The boys are weird. The boys are weird. He doesn't see her. Tryna looking at me
right. Steep little trail. That was really steep.
Tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Pulling his phone like
just finished raining, but we're on the way to the mall now. I looked up ahead, or I looked it up ahead of time, and they had like a Zara and an H&M. So that's probably the stores I'm gonna check out, because that's the only stores I'm really interested in. Because I saw there's like a lot of people posting about the new season of clothes at Zara, and it looked really cute. So hopefully they have some. We're checking out the Model Y because my dad's is coming in this Sunday we come back, or after we come back. So we're just checking out, see how it looks in person. It looks pretty cute, but we finally got to the mall. Traffic is terrible, it really is, it's terrible. But we just got here. And like I said, I really want to check out Zara and H&M, because hopefully the Zara here is better than the Zara in the States. Because so we're leaving, and I only got something from Zara, which is really all I wanted. I didn't really want to, I wasn't planning on getting anything from H&M. It was mostly Zara, but I saw like, there was only one thing that I saw ahead of time that I saw in stores, but pretty much everything else I didn't really see. This one looks like the Monster. This is the longest one, or the second longest one in the world. I don't even know where it ends. Can't even see where it ends.
We don't know each other well, so why I keep picking up myself. Memories just keep ringing bells.
We're back, everyone. We're back. Getting ready to leave the place. I give it a good 10 out of 10.
For sure, a good 10 out of 10.
These drinks a 10 out of 10.
It was fun.
Very fun. I was nervous at first, but you know, as soon as they pushed me off, I was like, oh, this is not as bad as I thought.
What's that payment? I was scared of that payment.
Jay, send me some pictures.
But we did the GoPro footage, so we got that. The real long was up there for a hot minute.